So it's the day after Thanksgiving, feeling a little tired, and figured I'd sit down and doodle on my iPad and turned on Symmetry. Haven't really played with that yet, and figured I would just sit here and pass the day away because I'd much rather be napping, but I don't nap during the day. So I wound up doodling and came across the shape of a butterfly and figured, why not? Let's just play with it. I want to encourage you sometimes to just sit down and play. I didn't know what I was going to do. I didn't know where I was going. I started out with symmetry and making some kind of all over pattern, which I did make and saved, but then went on to this butterfly and using different textures and different brushes and just spent a couple of hours just playing with this and adding things and changing blend modes and layer modes and trying different things as I went along, just seeing where it took me. Sometimes I discover the most fun projects, and some of the things I like the best are the things I didn't even know I was going to make when I started. I see a lot of people sometimes worried about making the right thing or doing the right thing. And I think if we all just sat down and played and didn't worry, especially if you're working digitally, because you can undo and you can make a layer and you can make it go away. If anything, playing with things digitally has made me braver than I ever was traditionally. So sit down, have fun, experiment, and let's see what you do.